Hey Wellness Warriors, welcome back to another Truthful Tuesday. Today we are uncovering the magical superfood of 2019. This superfood has been a big craze this year, yet it's been around for thousands and thousands of years. Moringa. Comes from the tree Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera. I'm just gonna throw a Spanish accent on there porque I want to. Something incredible of the Moringa tree, you can use every part of it, so it's very resourceful. However, most of the Moringa you're gonna find in the powder form, it comes from the leaf, the same one that goes for a healthy truth. It's in the leaf. It's a clean, pure, processed superfoods. We're gonna get to that later in this video of how to use Moringa in different dishes, how to store it, but for now, let's talk about some of the benefits, beneficios. Moringa is highly dense in nutrients, even more than kale. That's why there's been a lot of buzz about it being the best superfood out there. Rather than focus on what's the best, what's hot, what's new, think about how you can add superfoods just into your diet on an everyday lifestyle, not a diet, right? Because we don't follow trends, we create a lifestyle, long-term warriors. Due to its green plant chlorophyll base, it's also high in anti-inflammatories and high on the alkaline scale as well. There are over 90 nutrients in Moringa, specifically 46 antioxidants, 36 anti-inflammatory compounds, and 20 types of amino acids, right? Amino acids are important to help your body actually digest the benefits that are in there. And when we talk about gram for gram, those leaves, the Moringa leaves, have 2 times the amount of protein in milk, 3 times the amount of potassium that are in bananas, 7 times the amount of vitamin C in an orange, 4 times the amount of calcium as in milk, and 4 times the amount of vitamin A found in carrots. So you want to talk about a real powerhouse. This is why it's a superfood. All of that amazingness and all those nutrients condensed into the Moringa leaf powder. At Healthy Truth, the process that they use dries it at a very low temperature. So you can keep all the benefits of a raw leaf, but in the powder form. It is processed through biochelated, right? This is one I had to look up, biochelated process. Now there's a ton of benefits to Moringa. Personally, I love to travel with a little container or a little bag of it because I add it into some of my dishes when I'm traveling, when I'm sitting down to a meal, and that helps to keep my immunity high. People ask me a lot of times, how do you stay healthy when you travel so much? Well, bring along my superfoods. That helps for sure. So you can add it just sprinkled to the top of a salad. That's how I typically use it. Or mix it into, say, either an egg or tofu scramble that you do on the pan over your stove. Add the Moringa in last, right? That's gonna keep the raw benefits. Another way I like to just sprinkle on Moringa powder is to use it on top of steamed veggies. So steamed cauliflower, broccoli, a little bit of the Moringa can taste really good, right? Don't overdo it, but a little bit can go a long way. Same goes for some sweet potatoes. Roast the sweet potatoes and then just sprinkle some Moringa afterwards. You get a combination of the flavors and it absorbs right into the sweet potato. You can also do a salad dressing out of it. Add some olive oil with the Moringa and whatever else you want to throw into your salad dressing. That can mix up, blend, and put it on top of any salad, any dish, any zucchini. Spiraled zucchini is one of my other favorites, and throw that on top. There are so many ways outside of the smoothie that you can use Moringa powder. Another simple way is just adding it to your drinks. So either add it to a smoothie, we already know those, or even make a tea out of it. Hot water, Moringa, and if you want to add a natural sweetener, perhaps, or without. That wraps up our review of Moringa, all the ins, the outs, how to use it, the benefits of it, why you want to add it to your lifestyle, not a diet. So I want to hear from you. How are you cooking with your superfoods? Comment in below, and stay tuned for another Truthful Tuesday. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Keep cooking with superfoods. Create a lifestyle, not a diet. The amazing part of the Moringa plant and the Moringa, no, it's a tree. That wraps up our Truthful Tuesday. I almost fell over. Man down. See. lista. Porque soy
Record.
una cosita. Ok, una corta, porfa.